Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're watching for the first time, thanks for joining, and be sure to stay till the end because today I'm giving you a full, original and straight from the experience review of the 2026 Suzuki Alto. This little car has been a favorite in the Indian market for decades, and in its latest version, it gets subtle upgrades that keep it practical, efficient, and even more suited to modern daily driving. Starting off with the design, the 2026 Alto keeps its compact and easy-to-handle size, but now comes with a cleaner and more confident appearance. The front grille has been redesigned with a more detailed pattern, giving it a modern edge. The headlamps are reshaped, slightly more angular, and look more stylish than before. The bumper is simple but neatly sculpted, giving it a broader and more balanced front look. From the side, the body remains clean and minimalistic, with just enough curves to keep it from looking plain. At the rear, the new tail lamp design and cleaner boot layout make the car look a bit more premium for its category. Hop inside, and you'll notice the cabin has been improved without making things too flashy. The dashboard gets a fresh layout that feels more user-friendly. The dual-tone interior theme adds a touch of brightness, and everything is placed within easy reach. The higher variants now offer a 7-inch infotainment screen which supports Bluetooth, USB, and even smartphone connectivity, so you're not totally cut off from today's tech. The steering wheel is redesigned slightly, with mounted controls offered in the top trims. Overall, it's still a basic car, but one that feels more up-to-date. When it comes to space, the Alto remains best suited for small families, solo drivers, or city commuters. The front seats are decently supportive for daily drives, and the rear seats are comfortable enough for two average-sized adults. Headroom and legroom are acceptable for a small hatchback, and there's enough space in the boot to fit a few bags or groceries, not huge, but usable. Feature-wise, the Alto sticks to its strengths, practicality and simplicity. You get front power windows, manual AC, central locking, and a digital speed display in select variants. Nothing too fancy, but everything you need for daily city use is here. On the safety side, Suzuki has added the essential features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders. The car is light but feels sturdy enough for its segment and intended use. Under the hood, the 2026 Alto runs on the same reliable 1.0-liter petrol engine. It produces about 67 horsepower and is paired with either a 5-speed manual or an AMT automatic, depending on the variant. The engine is smooth and tuned for efficiency. It performs best in city traffic, where light handling and excellent fuel economy make a big difference. You can expect one of the highest mileage figures in its class, which is one of the biggest reasons the Alto continues to sell so well. In short, the 2026 Suzuki Alto is still all about simplicity, value, and reliability. It doesn't try to be overly smart or stylish, but it gives you everything you need for practical, everyday driving, especially if you're on a tight budget or want something easy to maintain. That's it for this full review of the 2026 Suzuki Alto. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share your views in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and updates. See you in the next one.